Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a JOMSO Lehenga unboxing. Now this is not a sponsored video, so without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. This is how JOMSO does its packaging. It came in this transparent bag. This is what I ordered. It's a maroon taffeta silk lehenga choli. Now let me see the choli, or let me see the blouse first. Blouse is attached to the dupatta, so I might take a little time to open this up. First, let's see the blouse fabric. So this is how it looks. It comes in this maroon color, and the fabric here is Bangalore silk, and this is the neck or the front part of the blouse, which has this beautiful embroidery in golden and silver. And here you can see there's like not rhinestones, a sequence. So you can see sequences in some part of the design. Super cute. And now let's see the back of the blouse. So this is the other side of the blouse. This is going to be the back. Again, they have given this a floral design, and there's this sequence embroidery detail for your sleeves. So this is the sleeve part. So there's about 0.80 meter of fabric for your blouse, which is a standard size, and the fabric is very see-through, so you will have to get a lining attached. And super good. I really liked the blouse fabric. Now if you compare the picture shown in their website of the blouse and what I received, it is not exactly same, because there are a lot of beading works going on in the picture, but here it's just plain embroidery. But still I am really satisfied with what I got. So this is the lehenga, and first let's see the waistband. They have given this golden lace band over here, which does not look very classy, but it's okayish. And then almost 3/4 of the lehenga, they have this same floral crisscross design going on. It's an embroidery, and there's this sequence also. So this is how it looks, the 3/4 of the lehenga. Beautiful part is this bottommost. It has this, you know, zigzag or the line kind of embroidery design with sequence, which looks really good from far. Even I think my camera is focusing it. And what I really like is the lines. If you see, it's in a straight line, so it looks like they have taken a lot of time in just, you know, doing this. And again, if you see this copperish golden color embroidery, very beautiful, right? It's nice. And then comes this, you know, round plain design. Again, it's very unique. I have not seen any lehenga with these kind of design. Super good. And the fabric here is taffeta silk. The inside of the lehenga, they have given this lining, which is super soft and nice. It's satin fabric. And the bottommost, in their other lehenga, the white lehenga, which I had shown in my older videos, if you have not seen this, you can check it out. I'll give a link there. They had given a canvas, stiff canvas on the bottom. Here it's not there, so you'll have to wear a cancan underskirt under this. There is about a 3.7 meter of flare, and then this would fit up to 42 to 44 inches of waist size. It's super huge. And this is not very heavy. It's a lightweight lehenga, though it looks like, you know, pretty heavy. Comparing the skirt with the picture shown in their website, so it's almost the same. 90% of the design or the sequence work, everything is same, so I'm happy. Coming to the dupatta, this is how the dupatta looks. It comes in this net maroon fabric, and then there's this beautiful sequence lace work going on. Again, on the other side, if you see, there's no stitches, so the stitching is really good. And all throughout the dupatta, there's this floral sequence work going on. and the fabric used is very soft and smooth net, and it's lengthwise also it's fine, it's very long, so it's pretty good. Now if you compare the dupatta shown in the picture and how I received, it's exactly same, 100% same. So now coming to the price, guys, the actual price of this was 4,500 rupees and I paid just 2,290 rupees, which I think is a steal deal. I really love the color, the fabric, the embroidery, the sequence work, everything is on point. I am super happy with this purchase. And I would like to rate it 5 out of 5. Now coming to the site, if you don't know about JOMSO, then let me tell you guys, here you can get all kind of ethnic wear, may it be gown, saris, lehenga, whatnot, and placing an order is very easy. You can either go to jomso.com or you can WhatsApp them and place your order, and they do have cash on delivery option, and if you're out of India, then they do ship worldwide with extra shipping charges. Now if you don't like the product or if you receive a defective product, you need not worry. They do have a very good written policy wherein within 7 days you will have to mail them, then they are going to accept your return request and arrange for the return. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.